The first impeachment complaint against President Bongbong Marcos was supposed to be filed on Thursday. However, despite the preparation, it appears the case has hit a temporary roadblock when Ronald Cardema, chairperson of the Duterte Youth Party List, arrived at the lower house that afternoon to file the complaint. House Secretary General Reginald Velasco was not available to receive it. Despite this setback, Cardema remains undeterred. He confirmed that he plans to refile the impeachment complaint early next week. The complaint itself hinges on serious allegations. Cardema has cited two major grounds for the impeachment of President Marcos: culpable violation of the Constitution and betrayal of public trust. These charges stem from allowing the alleged surrender of a Filipino citizen, former President Rodrigo Duterte, to foreigners.
Tayong mga buhay na Pilipino ang pinagbabasihan ng soberanya. Kaya nung sinurrender mo ang isang Pilipino sa mga dayuhan, nung araw na yon, March 11, sinurrender mo ang soberanya ng bansa. So, yun ang culpable violation of the Constitution.
Cardema argues that Duterte, a Filipino citizen, should have been given the chance to face trial in a Philippine court. The former president is currently in The Hague, Netherlands, facing charges of crimes against humanity over his war on drugs. For News 5, I'm Marian Enriquez. We are One News.